Prepare the surface before applying flashing tape. Make sure the perimeter of the window opening is clean, smooth, and free of any dust or debris. This ensures the flashing tape sticks properly and provides a solid seal. Install the flashing tape. 1. Cut the flashing tape. Measure and cut the flashing tape, ensuring it extends 5 to 8 centimeters beyond the window opening on all sides. 2. Remove the backing. Slowly peel off the protective backing paper from the flashing tape, being careful not to damage the adhesive surface. 3. Position the tape. Center the flashing tape along the windowsill, making sure it's aligned symmetrically with the opening. 4. Apply pressure. Use a roller to press the tape down firmly, starting from the center and working outward. This ensures full adhesion to the substrate, removes any air bubbles, and provides a secure waterproof seal, meeting industry standards. Apply sealant around the window opening perimeter. Apply a continuous bead of silicone or polyurethane sealant around the entire window opening, ensuring the bead is 5 to 8 millimeters thick with no gaps. Pay special attention to the sill bottom and side joints, reinforcing these areas for a secure seal. Ensure the sealant adheres fully to both the window frame and the wall, creating a tight, waterproof barrier. Number 4, window installation procedure. Positioning the frame. Carefully place the window unit into the prepared opening. Use temporary wooden or composite shims to provide initial support and alignment. Make sure the frame is centered within the rough opening with even spacing on all sides. B. Leveling and alignment. Using a spirit level, check both the horizontal, sill, and vertical jamb alignment of the window frame. Adjust the shims as necessary to achieve precise leveling and ensure the frame is plumb. Double check the alignment before securing the frame in place. Secure the window frame using corrosion-resistant screws, such as 304 stainless steel, through the pre-drilled holes. Space the screws 40 to 50 centimeters apart along the frame, with additional screws within 15 centimeters of each corner for extra reinforcement. Ensure a 1 to 2 millimeter clearance around the frame to allow for thermal expansion and prevent any pressure on the frame during temperature changes. D. Final validation. Once the frame is securely fixed, test the operation of all moving components, including the sashes and locks. Ensure they move smoothly and function properly, confirming that everything is aligned and working as intended. Five, exterior flashing tape installation. Apply flashing tape around the entire perimeter of the window, covering all joints between the window frame and the wall. Ensure the tape is smooth and adheres fully, providing a complete seal to prevent water infiltration. Press down firmly to eliminate any air bubbles, and ensure a tight, waterproof seal along the entire perimeter.